Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about biocomposites. First off, the terms. Biocomposite, a material formed by a matrix resin and reinforcement of natural fibers usually derived from plants and cellulose. Biofiber wheat, made from a wheat straw and provides the marketplace with an environmentally sound alternative to wood-based products. It offers a rich golden alternative to traditional hardwood or panel products. It is extremely versatile and can be used in a variety of decorative interior applications. Dakota burl, a unique composite material that utilizes bio-based materials created from sunflower hulls. It exhibits a beauty and elegance of traditional burled woods.
Alright, glues. Polyurethane, a type of installation glue which is highly resistant to moisture and elevated temperatures and have excellent chemical aging resistance. This is the best tool and the recommendation for biocomposite installation. Then there's also cross-linkable PVA, which is similar to PVA but improved performance in moisture and elevated temperature. This is the second best insulation product. And then polyvinyl acetates, or PVA, is another glue that is tolerable. However, it is easy to use, high in dry strength, has low resistance to moisture and high temperatures, and joints tend to yield under continued stress.
And last but not least, microstrand. This is an industrial grade material. It makes an excellent replacement for various custom particle board and or plywood application.
Alright, method of measurement. Biocomposites are measured like most other wood applications. Depending on the application you are using the board for, there are two methods of measuring: by the board or linear foot, and also by the square foot.
So now the advantages. So some are renewability, recyclability, biodegradability, lightweight, high specific strength, addresses economical and ecological concerns of materials, good thermal insulator, and good acoustic properties.
Alright, disadvantages of biocomposites are a high moisture absorption, biological attack, decomposition of alkaline environments, low modular elasticity, and dimensional stability.
Okay, so now maintenance, and on the side of the screen you can see, the two examples of what you could use, but it says when finished correctly, biocomposites are easily repaired and maintained. A buffing compound with a buffing wheel, as you can see on the side, or even a Scotch-Brite, as you can see on the side, can be used to gloss the surface to a level of desired. If a light scratch occurs, it can be wet sanded, or a Scotch-Brite can be used to fix it.
Installation. Installation of biocomposites really depends on what the material is being used for. However, gluing is the installation method usually used for edge building with biocomposites. There are different types of glue used for biocomposite board, so both the physical and chemical compatibility considerations about the board and the surface that's being glued to must be taken into account. You must consider the mechanical properties, durability, ease of use, color, and cost of the glue, and the situation it is being placed in. Here are some adhesives that are used in edge builds and seams. Polyurethane glue, which we went over these in the vocab. It's the most recommended of these glues for biocomposites. There are two types of polyurethane glue: Gorilla Glue and Franklin International Tight Bond Polyurethane Glue. This glue is an amber liquid resin that has a wide variety of uses. This glue is highly resistant to moisture and high temperature while also having great chemical resistance. Then there's the cross-linkable PVA emulsion, which is an adequate glue. It's the second best. The performance in moisture and high temperature are better than those in the PVA. And then we have the PVA, which is also another glue that is tolerable. However, it is easy to use, high and dry strength, has low resistance to moisture and high temperature, and joints tend to yield under continued stress.
Here are two examples of gluing applications. Edge-to-edge bonding is recommended to use dowels or biscuits along with the glue to improve the strength of the bond. If the edge piece is greater than 3 inches in width, it requires to use dowels or biscuits. These are dowels used in edge-to-edge bonding. Edge building techniques is the standard edge with a lip. These are found in transition edges, furniture, transition edges, ledges, furniture, and other tabletop uses.
Pricing. The Dakota Burl, as you can just see on this table, for a 1/2 inch, it's per square foot is $3.05, and per square sheet is $97.60. And I won't read them all, you can see them right there. But then the biofiber wheat looks to be less expensive than the Dakota Burl. For a 1/2 inch, it's $2.43, and for the square foot, and for the sheet, it's $77.76.
Sustainability, it's one of the best renewable materials. It's made of agricultural fiber byproducts and plant and animal resins. It is not made from petrochemical resin. The lead points will be obtained for the space. That is it. Make sure that you go through the report. There's more details on everything. We've just covered everything that's supposed to be on the study guide, so make sure you look it over. And thanks.
Thanks for listening.